Let's do this. It's huge. Good afternoon guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is 3 o'clock right now and we are going to explore Dwarka. So we are not going to be inside the city, we are actually leaving it and going 30 kilometers far away. Now today's exploring is going to be very exciting because we are not just visiting two places, we are also going to witness one bridge जो कि 1.5 साल पहले जब मैं आया था वो यहाँ पे नहीं था, उस समय वो अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन था, बट इट इज़ रेडी नाउ. पहले बेट द्वारका तक बोट से जाना पड़ता था. So you have to get a ferry, pay the price, reach there, and then you can visit the temples, and there are a lot many shops there as well. But now you can just go, there's a bridge now and you can directly go there. मैंने अभी जस्ट एक 5 किलोमीटर का स्ट्रेच कवर किया है and it is extremely windy. इतनी तेज़ हवा थी कि आई एम श्योर मैंने जो भी बोला होगा वो रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ होगा. सो आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ दीज हाउसेज एंड स्ट्रक्चर्स अभी यहाँ पे हवा थोड़ी कम हो गई है. So I've had a little chit chat with the locals here and I got to know कि यहाँ पे जो मोटरसाइकिल्स होती हैं वो ज़रा कम ही चलती है because of the moisture in the air. गाड़ी पे जंग लग जाता है. So most of the motorcycles that people buy here is the one जिसके अंदर प्लास्टिक बॉडी ज़्यादा है instead of metal body. I think this is the reason why the Google Maps was telling कि पहुंचने में 45 minutes का टाइम लगेगा. It's because there was a town in between and it was super crowded. And somehow in all my videos the sun happens to be at my back. Each time I fill cold water in my hydration bag, it turns hot and then I have to again refill it. It becomes, you just can't drink it. I can sense it now as I'm getting closer and closer to Okha. The humidity levels are rising. It is now hot and humid. Oh my, it smells fishy, way too fishy than fish. What is happening here? I think they must be again drying the fishes around some place here. And on my left hand side it's the Arabian Sea. Alright then, now I know. Those are the fishes drying up. वहाँ पे fishes सूख रही हैं. Here as well. And that's the reason why it smelled so bad. This seems like a cool place to visit. Let's hope. I don't know if they will even allow us. I don't think they are going to allow us. It's some sort of working place. Yeah, I don't think I should even ask. It's a, I don't know, Duiput Vibhag, a lighthouse. Okay. Look at the houses. They're so sweetly made huts, sort of. Like the structure is of hut. I think I should be close enough to the place that I'm trying to visit. Finally, I have reached that place. इसको ढूंढने में मेरी नानी याद आ गई. Last time I came here accidentally, and this time searching the same place was very difficult for me because यहाँ पे, I mean, I was at the shore but I couldn't find it. Now, I'll show you what is special about this place. First, have a look. Now, what's special about this place is आपको सामने की तरफ जो सैंड दिख रही है, ये वाली, it is going to disappear. It is going to disappear after, let's say, 6 o'clock because of the high tide. तो इस प्लेस को विजिट करने के लिए you have to come here in time, otherwise forget about it. It won't even be visible. आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि ये यहाँ पर है. And the ideal time to come here is in the morning. So I guess आपको पता चल रहा होगा कि मैं क्यों बहुत स्पीड में यहाँ पर आ रहा था. It's because I did not want it to get sunk again, and this is the cornermost part of the Gujarat. इसके आगे कुछ नहीं है, इसके आगे सिर्फ Arabian Sea है. And this is the place where I want to have a dip. तो थोड़ा सा यहाँ पानी में जाऊँगा. And a dog is having fun there. I think आपको दिख रहा होगा पानी चढ़ना स्टार्ट हो गया है और ये वाला एरिया पूरा गीला हो गया है. So I have to take the long way from that side and then I will reach there. So I did it. I have to remember to put my things a bit away from the seashore क्योंकि यहाँ पे पानी इतना तेज़ी से चढ़ता है that it'll be too late by the time you'll realize कि आपका सामान समंदर के अंदर बह गया. So let's do this. So I'm not going to go, I mean, it's quite endless. Somebody's calling. So him being the local, he was warning me, पानी के अंदर गहराई में मत जाना, which is like, I'm supposed to tell it to people. But it's good that they care. So I'm not going to go anywhere deeper because there is no end to it. It's an ocean. I think ये अब आपको पानी बढ़ता हुआ दिख रहा होगा. ये अब सिर्फ बढ़ता ही जाएगा आगे and then the entire this small island will disappear. Yeah, I think this place is good. The water is very calm, but the water levels are going to rise soon. There is the port. There is a lighthouse. My eyes are burning. It's salt water. One achievement unlocked. Dipping in the Arabian Sea, and now I'm salty at every corner of my body. I did not bring my towel, so I think I'm managing it somehow. So from here we'll be traveling to one more destination. So we are now going to Sudarshan Setu, which is not a location, it's the name of the bridge that connects Okha with Bet Dwarka, and it's a relatively newly made bridge, and there it is. I told this in the beginning of the video as well earlier. I hope you can see those ferries there. They were the only way to travel from Okha to Bet Dwarka. It's huge. Pretty amazing. And they made it so fast. 1.5 साल पहले I think आधा काम ही हुआ था. After this point, it means after that bridge, cars are not permitted, and then you have to park it there. There's a parking area, and then you can come on these autos. We have arrived at the point where there is no further route. So before taking the return trip, I think I'm going to have some snacks here, because then again it is going to take me full 1 hour of riding. I had a really nice afternoon and evening. I had a nice dip in the Arabian Sea. Then I got to cross this amazing new bridge, and then had some snacks at Bet Dwarka. So on and all, I rate this adventure 10 on 10. मुझे तो मज़ा आ गया. So if you have liked this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. हवा भरवानी है 35 35 आप कितना चार्ज करते हो हवा का? सर आप एक बार टायर चेक, एक्चुअली क्या हुआ, मैंने थोड़ी ऑफ रोडिंग की थी, कुछ कांटे वाटे ना अटके हो, आप एक बार चेक कर सकते हो क्या?
हवा तो है, अच्छा
हवा ठीक है,
थोड़ा सा ही कम था.